Is your browser ever running so slowly you simply wouldn't just uninstall it and throw your laptop away? Me too. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we can use Opera GX itself to clean up the browser and ensure that we're using it at its full speed without any issues. Do keep in mind that when doing this, some things are going to be deleted. Luckily for us, you can choose what's going to be deleted and what's not going to be deleted, such as history and many other things. To begin, you want to open up your Opera GX browser. From there, if we go to the top left, you can see the GX Cleaner. Simply press on the GX Cleaner, and as you can see, last clean was 101 days ago. That is around 3.5 months ago, and we have 750 megabytes of browser files. Now you can choose if you wanted to do medium, minimum, or max. So what I suggest is not choosing any of these and doing it on your own. So make sure cache is turned on, older than 30 days. Cookies as well. You only want to do cookies for older than 30 days? Meaning websites you don't even use anymore. This will log you out of sites, by the way. Next up, tabs. Close unused tabs, it's not needed at all. Next up, browser history, older than 30 days, and delete downloaded files checked. Sidebar icons, to make sure to not touch them. And then you simply want to press on start cleaning. As you can see, the cleaning is in process, and once it is completed, as you can see, we have 400 megabytes left because I didn't do a full clean. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.